Hello everyone, this is Khan, founder of Mr. Khan Digital, which is a website development, digital marketing, and AI automation agency in Bangalore, India. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up SMTP in WordPress. SMTP is nothing but it is a setup which we use to send mails through WordPress website. Suppose if you are having a lead form or any notification thing, so that will come through this setup only, because by itself WordPress will not have any email features, so we need to connect our own mail. So what you need to do first, you need to go to plugins, add new, then search wp mail smtp. You'll see this plugin. You need to install and activate this plugin. Since I have installed, it is, I can see it here, wp mail smtp. So you need to click settings. So if you are using Hostinger hosting, then you can select default and you can just add your Gmail ID, whichever from whichever Gmail ID you need to get the email. From name should be your website name or a brand name. So suppose if you are using any other provider, or if you want to use any professional email, you can select other SMTP, and those providers will give you SMTP host. Whether it is all these details will be given by those providers. So currently I'm using Hostinger. If you are not signed up with Hostinger, again, the link is in description. You can go ahead and purchase the plan. So once you are in Hostinger, you can select default HTTP, and you can, here you can just add your email and you just have to save. That's it, and your emails will start coming from this email ID from website. Thank you so much.